So guys, let's make a new project. Tab on bottom left corner, select the folder where you have your file. Suppose this one, select the green tick. Now we are inside our main project. Let's add some animation to our image. Tab on this button to add a keyframe, then the duration, suppose 4.5 seconds. Zoom in. So this is what we have. Now suppose we want to add some speed line effect to this video. For that, go to Peep. Here we have two speed line overlays. One is circular and the other one have straight speed lines. You can download them from the video description. Our video is vertical, so tab, hold, drag this corner in angle to rotate. Try to cover the full area. Look for blend. Use lighten or screen for white lines, and for black line, use isolate or contrast. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.